Mishty Max. How goes quarantine for you? Would you like to check out my latest re-upload of a deep cut from back in the day?
Hi, I'm Mishty Max, and I'm here to share this brightly coloured and magical lip art. I wanted to combine two strong, vibrant colours, so I chose neon pink and bright blue for an in-your-face base for some fun 3D lip art. After I prepared my lips with moisturiser, I removed the excess with a cotton tip. Then I primed with MAC Prep and Prime Lip for a smooth base to work on and to hydrate my lips because of the matte lipstick to come. And I grabbed MAC Lip Pencil in Candy Yum Yum to outline my lips with a slightly exaggerated overdrawn shape so I can fit more 3D stuff on them. After getting a basic design, I shaded in the neon pink from the edges, giving myself a nice thick perimeter, but leaving the center bare for a different base color. Then I took NYX Cosmetics Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk and applied the creamy white base to the rest of my lips, covering the center on the top and bottom. I'm wiping off any pink on the back of my hand that gets on the tip of the white pencil to make sure I get no contamination at the very center for a pure white look there. Then to blend the edges a bit, I smush my lips together and use the pink pencil to make sure it's pigmented and the outer edge is sharp. Next we have the infamous MAC Candy Yum Yum, and I'm applying that gorgeous neon pink straight from the bullet over the perimeter of my lips, using the tip to get a defined edge. Because I went straight over the top of the lip primer with the matching pencil without waiting for it to completely set, I let it mix in a bit, allowing the lipstick to go on smoother than it usually does, but it won't maintain its regular super matte finish in this case. I feathered in the pink around the white base with the Candy Yum Yum pencil once more before going on to the next step, which is to go for this coloured rain lipstick called Dramatica and apply the vibrant blue to the center of my lips over the white. I layered it on the center from the bullet, avoiding the edges first, but then brought it up to meet the pink, once again wiping off the tip to remove any product that got on there. I have the white base down to make sure the blue comes out as bright and as true as possible, although because the NYX pencil is so creamy, the lipstick ended up mixing in with it a bit. I realized I wanted some more intensity to the pigmentation, so I grabbed the OCC Lip Tart in RX and dabbed that over the top with my finger to get a deeper blue shade. And I pressed my lips together to smooth out the lipstick layer and to slightly mix the edges into the pink. So I end up with a crazy gradient lip that looks like this. I like the impact of this lip as it is, and it would look good if you went further with the blending and added some purple lipstick between the blue and the pink, but I wanted to leave a bit more of a distinction between the colors and to get straight on with some embellishments. I grabbed some nail art bits and pieces that I thought would be fun to play with, including these 3mm silver square studs from dollarnailart.com, these silver stars, and the 2mm silver spikes from bornpretty.com. Then for a bit of color, these variously sized self-adhesive pink rhinestones that I got from the $2 shop. And to set myself up with tools, I took out my Scrap Perfect Embelly Jelly and a set of tweezers. So to start, I picked up the Duo Eyelash Adhesive in clear and a pointed cotton bud, then squeezed some glue out onto this plastic and began dotting it onto my lips where I wanted the 3D stuff to go. I added some small dots for the rhinestones and a little bit more glue for the spikes since they are a little heavier. I started in with the juicy pink rhinestones, choosing the smallest size in this packet. I took them off the backing sheet and used Embelly Jelly to place them on top of the eyelash glue. If you want, you can also use your tweezers to place them down. Then I grabbed some of the 2mm silver spikes from Born Pretty and placed some around the bottom of my lower lip, pushing them around with your tweezers or the other end of the Embelly Jelly stick. Next, I added some dots for the square studs and tiny little dots for the stars since they're small and don't need as much sticking power. I added the stars centrally with one on my Cupid's bow and the rest mainly over the blue lipstick area. And I used the studs to add some metallic silver shine on the inner portion of my lip where the spikes could get in the way, pushing them around with the back end of the stick till I had them in the right place, orienting them on the points like a diamond. I had a vague idea of a pattern, but kept it flexible when I saw how it started to emerge on my lips, adding more bits here and there. I pretty much built up the pattern as I went, seeing where it was taking me, having some fun with different shaped embellishments, and spreading out the shiny stuff in a pleasing array. And that's it. I wanted to create something dynamic and really vibrant, and I haven't done a lip with blue and pink before, not to mention I was itching for some 3D madness. I wasn't sure what to call this lip art at first, but when I showed it around, it gave people people the idea of magic. I guess it looks a little like a magician's hat and makes me think of Mickey Mouse in Fantasia. So I went with the lipstick name and couldn't resist adding magic to the title. You can find all the details for the products used in this tutorial on my blog, linked in the description box with affiliate links too. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this wild lip art, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Also check out my band and podcast on iTunes.
Click the little boxes if you want to see other tutorials of mine. Max.